Today's lesson, Transport in India. Now, what you require to learn or to know in this chapter are types of transport. As over here, you can see them categorized. Number 1, roadway. Number 2, railways. Number 3, airways. And the last one, waterway. Now, their individual advantages and disadvantages. Apart from that, certain other points are there which also touches the features of these different types of roadways, or rather different types of transport. Under roadways, if we zoom on it, roadways are categorized or grouped into 4 main types. As you can see over here, national highway, state highway, expressway, village and district roads. National highway, as the name suggests, is constructed and maintained by the central government, union government. Similarly, state highway will be constructed and maintained by the state highways. Expressway, constructed just for the one reason, to reduce the traveling time. That is why these expressways, you will find, they bypass the congested cities. They do not enter the cities. And you have village and district roads whose name just you need to know. Neither their features nor their advantages or disadvantages. Now, one important point about the roadways is, as the name tells you, golden quadrilateral. Why it is quadrilateral? Because in the very next line, it connects 4 main cities. Now, main cities over here means the 4 main metropolitan cities. Mumbai in the western side, Chennai in the southern side, Kolkata in the eastern side, and Delhi. There are advantages. The government has used a lot of money to construct these golden quadrilateral because there are certain advantages. 3 advantages are given over here. Increased trade, that is point number 1. They have helped, that is the golden quadrilateral roadway has helped in development of connecting cities. Now, when they are passing through the 4 main cities, in between there are a number of intermediate cities as well. For example, Pune. Okay, so these cities also have been developed as this important roadway crosses them. And the last one, reduced travel time. The golden quadrilateral, by connecting the 4 main cities, have also reduced traveling time. Now, broadly coming to the advantages of roadway and to the disadvantages of roadway, for each of the type, there is advantage, 4 main points are given, and for the disadvantage, 4 main points are given. Now, for under advantage, always remember that in geography, you need to write just the points. Point number 1, flexible services. Roadways are very flexible because if one road gets blocked, then there are a number of other roads through which you can reach the destination. Second advantage, door-to-door service, because roadways connect every village, every small remote areas in India. So, door-to-door service is a very, very important advantage of roadway. Then the third point, they are cheap. In the long run, they are cheap. The last point, the convenient for short distance. When you are traveling for a short distance, then automatically the roadways are more convenient. Coming to the disadvantage, they need regular maintenance. Roadways have to be maintained, especially during the monsoon season. A lot of load the road has to carry and endure. Automatically, they have to be maintained. So it requires regular maintenance. Depends on season. Sometimes on very heavy monsoon season, when it rains very heavily, some roadways, they become absolutely difficult. Okay? Unsuitable for long distances. Now, if you are traveling from Kolkata to Mumbai, it's a very long distance. For such long distances, roadways are not feasible. They are not very suitable. And finally, they are comparatively slow than airways and railways. Airways, as you know, is the fastest form, and railways are much faster than the roadways. So, in this part, we have done about roadways, their types, their advantages and their disadvantages. In the next video, in the next part, we will be doing about railways, their advantages and their disadvantages.